Hello and welcome to Ross & Park Motors. Another new arrival here today. This time it's a Ford Mondeo 2015 on a 15 plate, 2 litre diesel, 150 brake horsepower Zetec. So it's like a mid-range spec. Good spec, alloys, tinted glass. It's got a touchscreen media centre with Bluetooth streaming, DAB, radio, USB connectivity. This is a nice spec. Dual zone aircon. That all works as well. Cruise control. That also works. So nice and clean inside and out. 94,828 miles as we do the video today. 6-speed. So there's your media centre, and you use that for your Bluetooth and for your heater, and saves on having loads of buttons. And nice seats. It does drive well. I've used this one a little bit, and it does drive very, very nicely. It's good on fuel as well. I think it's £20 a year road tax. More pictures on the website. It's rossandparkmotors.co.uk, or you can give us a call 07 868 722 133.